Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have Pollo Tropical.
Yes, you got it right this time. Pollo Tropical.
I know, guys, it is not Fast Food Friday. It is not. It is not. It is not.
No.
Okay? It's just a regular day. Like we told you guys before, I feel like we're like a broken record. They're probably like, how many times you gonna say you guys are doing stuff in the house?
They don't know what we're going through right now.
If you only knew. But we will tell you, but maybe further down the line when because it's very dramatic.
Yes. Very.
And it scarred me.
Very. But we're going to share with you later down the line.
Yes. So we have Pollo Tropical. We have the usual chicken, rice and beans. I have brown rice, which you have white rice, and we have some bread. But we added some plantains, y'all.
You know how we get with the plantains. Straight like that.
We had a long day.
We tell them that all the time, you know, I don't think they believe us.
They don't believe you, they believe me.
Only if we know. Only if they know.
Only if they knew.
Food time here. 1, 2 time.
I'll try it, my youth.
Family. Been a long day.
Yeah. A long day.
Long day. But it's all good. We gotta come do it. We gotta eat. You know? Gotta eat. We gotta keep it rolling.
You gotta keep it pushing.
Family,
right?
Sorry. That guava barbecue sauce is a hit. Is a go. Okay, done. Chicken batino. Chicken batino, mayo. Chat too much, that's what I'm yummy.
Yeah, you have chicken batino for real? You know.
Family, okay, here we go. Okay. I'm teasing them.
Ooh!
There you go.
Sorry.
Is it near? You can see? Too far? Close up. Here? Ah, they will see it. Same. You just say, me know it's going right in the stomach.
Ooh!
Wait, put too much food time? What? Face everything for.
You know when I don't eat all day? When I eat something, I get the hiccups.
Everything dropping out my mouth right now.
Who want it? Somebody
want it. Family, you know you could have piece of the thigh because you know how to eat thighs. We tell them we want it well done. You know what I'm saying? Have a piece of the thighs. And take it. Can we buy a whole family meal?
Last time we went to Pollo Tropical for your birthday, remember? And we had just had some lunch before dinner. We told them well done. They well done that chicken, boy.
They well done that. They well done that chicken. That chicken was well done.
Well done.
Wow, first lady.
Should have said burnt. Oh, that was when the lady was yelling at the guy. Oops, hiccups.
Rough. I give you a drink?
Water.
What's good with y'all people though?
Hiccups.
What's good with y'all? Same old same. I know. That's why I laugh.
Thursday, one more day to Friday.
Yep.
We got tomorrow's Friday for y'all. A 2-time spicy sauce with the guava barbecue sauce is really good. Can you mix it?
Yeah. That guava barbecue is a go though.
Yeah.
It's a go.
It's like your best sauce.
Yeah. What sauce do you like when you go there? Comment on.
Let me tell you how we was gonna get La Granja.
What happened?
Or La Ganja.
Long story.
And they told us they don't have any rice or no plantains.
And that's what they specialize in.
And My son said that there was a person before him because he wanted to go pick it up for us because we couldn't leave. Okay? I'm telling you, we couldn't leave.
We couldn't leave, family. We couldn't leave, family.
Can't leave people by themselves because they don't know what they're doing. Remember me tell you that. And Vincent said that the lady was in the line arguing them about the rice. Like, y'all need to make rice. I need rice. But, just good man.
Why you can't leave first, lady?
You can't talk about that right now, man.
Can't talk about that.
I'm going to tell you guys.
In the long run.
We're going to tell you guys. But if I talk about it right now,
she's already upset.
I'll get mad. Mad at rah.
So, we can talk about that the next time.
But just remind me. If I forget, remind me.
Yep.
But I will tell you guys.
How are you food?
It's good.
What? Tired?
I'm tired.
No.
I feel like I worked a 15-hour shift. Wait, I did.
Sure you did. We got it from early.
Yeah. Yeah, from 5:30 because that's when Tamia called you.
Yep.
Richie takes Tamia to the bus in the morning.
Yep. Every morning, my duty.
They have your father-daughter time and chat people.
That's all me and my daughter do, talk people, chat people. She know the best like a mother.
Just chat people, man.
I should get that from you. That's my duty, family, you know, every morning. When the crack of dawn.
One morning, Tamia woke me up. I was off from work. And she's like, Mommy, can you get my cereal? And it's so funny because that used to be my duty when Richie was working. But now, I started working a different job because of COVID. And I'm hoping to get back to how it was before. I was taking Tamia to the bus and everything. So when she called me, I'm like, I haven't taken Tamia in the bus for over a year. So I'm like, why is she calling me? She's like, Mommy, yeah, I need my breakfast, please. And I'm like, where's your father? Because I'm like, he must be making your food. Why are you calling me? She's like, Mommy, Daddy's at work. I was like, oh, shoot. It is a rare occasion that I was off and Richie was at work. So she was like, Mommy, you gotta take me to the bus and make my breakfast. I said, girl, I am not used to that anymore.
We did a long time too.
I'm not used to it anymore.
That's my job. We be riding and chilling. What? Our daughter's in school. I can't do homeschool no more. Did y'all send y'all kids them back to school or are they home? Let me know.
I don't even know why we putting these breads.
Them bread hard.
I don't like bread.
Bread tough. For decoration.
I never like their bread. It's always dry. Like, if you eat their bread, every bite you gotta drink some water.
Yeah, well done bread.
Yeah.
Family. I know y'all got this restaurant. Some of y'all. Try it. I always say, here's a plantain.
Plantano. You ever been so hungry that
Let me get it for your food.
yeah. I knew I was gonna say that.
You know why?
Well,
Because the gas fill your stomach up.
but that never happened to you, right?
Gas food make me still eat my food. You know how you.
So even though the gas make you feel like you're full, you're still gonna eat.
Still eat my food.
Wow.
Got my belly empty, but it's just the gas. Yeah.
Wow.
Right, family? Y'all know that. Y'all know that already. Your belly, y'all hungry, and you eat a long time, but when that gas kick in, No, I don't mean gas like that. Yeah. I don't mean that kind of gas. Come on now. Yeah, I know I am. But when that kick in, it's a wrap. Today, my belly was but we couldn't leave.
We couldn't leave. We did go and get some coconut dough and drink some coconut water and yam some jelly.
Oh, that was delicious off my tree. Listen, it was so good. I gave first lady 2 of them. She couldn't drink no more. They were so refreshing.
So refreshing.
And you have your jelly inside of it. It's soft one. Okay?
That was our breakfast.
That was our breakfast. That was it. The whole day.
And that's all we ate all day. Or drank all day. Man. They need to tell contractors. They need to tell people. Stop telling lies.
Fabian.
I can't.
You already know first lady, right? I know first lady know a lot. And she's good with her hands, so she know. First lady, she don't jump up and not that way, sillies. They silly.
I'm not?
No, you see, you should go with your hand, but they thinking the wrong way.
But that way, I'm not good with my hands?
You don't use your hand. Face stick. So.
He's a freak.
Listen.
Wow.
We got that story time for y'all. Don't wait.
Not done. She's like, I'll hang out.
Wait till everything is done. But yeah. Stop saying, people need to stop saying they can do stuff but they can't.
They can't.
So when they come, we're gonna see what's going down.
Yeah. All right, listen. I'm all for lying on a resume to get a job now. Okay?
She told you that story already.
I told you that story already.
And I bet you none of y'all tried that.
Because
first they know how to do
you
the
learn
trick.
as you go. But now when I'm paying my money, and then you're gonna tell me you know how to do something that I have to walk you through how to do it. So I need some of the money, Tom.
Exactly. For real.
That's fair.
That's true. This story gonna be good, don't worry. We gonna hit y'all with it. First they gonna hit y'all with it. First lady a boss. No,
that story time when I do tell it, honey, it's gonna have to be like a part 3.
Yeah, it's gonna be
1, 2, and 3 because it's long.
Yeah, it's gonna be at least 3 stories. So if y'all want to hear that story time, comment down. It's gonna be 3 parts now.
Because it's long.
It is long.
And you know, I eat slow and I'm very detailed in how I tell a story because I need you to understand what's going on.
Very detailed. Me, I am. But yeah, comment down if you want to hear story time. Y'all gonna get it. Chicken cheese like your season?
What do you think? I didn't just had so much too spicy. That's all I taste. Wait, it was a season to you? You didn't like it?
It's okay.
Because we had our mind set on La Cranja.
Okay. It wasn't their best.
Yep. We do it all the time. Every time we eat outside food. But sometimes you can't help yourself. You have no choice but to say we're not cooking today.
We can cook.
Man, I'm still thinking about my red pasta and my curry chicken. You see how we tear up the food?
Yeah. Yep, that's what we do.
So yeah, tired?
I'll sleep that free.
No, it's good. It's still early today.
I know. We take naps. Do y'all like taking naps?
Richie's my nap partner. I love my husband for that because. Go ahead, my love.
Comment down if y'all love taking naps. We love taking naps, man.
Love it.
We don't bring. Like right after this, oh, it's a wrap.
It be on.
We be napped out. For real.
We would go somewhere and we look at each other and we're like, it's time for a nap. And she'd be like, all right, let's go. We out.
Nap time.
And we go home, you take a nap.
A lot of people don't do that. But we do. I want to see.
But they say it's good for you though, to take a nap.
I want to see who do it.
You know, when you're younger, you fight taking a nap.
And
Like, you cry, you don't miss nothing. Okay? You have FOMO, fear of missing out. That's what I go?
I don't have a clue.
Fear of missing out. Whatever in there. I think it's FOMO. Yeah, fear of missing out. Yes.
I asked them. I don't know. I asked them. They know.
And then when you become an adult, like taking a nap is like, I'm not taking a nap. I ain't no baby. And then when you get older, you're like, oh, I love me a nap.
Oh my God. That's the best thing, I mean.
Best thing.
Best thing. Full? Okay.
That food was okay today.
Yeah, it wasn't their best. It wasn't their best.
I heard you say you're gonna make some fried fish.
Can't make no fried fish, no. Mommy,
can't make no fried fish, no. Oh, my mom is coming. And when she comes, she wants you to just get out her way and let her cook whatever she wants. But Mama Duke's here coming, so that means gonna be some good food. Extra good food.
Not here.
Oh, yeah. Yo. Oh, God.
Family member, I wish we could just draw you out through here. And say, stand up and take a look with us. You can't do that. No cooking here, Tom.
Yeah, I know.
All right, family. Let me give y'all sweet people the word of wisdom, you know. Appreciate y'all coming in here, venting to y'all, you know. Sometimes
you guys are good listeners.
Good listeners, yeah, for real. And we're never gonna stop talking. Never that. You know what I'm saying? But we appreciate y'all for that. For listening to us. With that being said, First Lady. Family. Ask yourself if what you're doing today is getting you closer to where you want to be tomorrow.
Ooh, it's a good one, honey.
You got that one?
I like it.
I like when you like it.
I actually love it.
Okay.
Oh,
I
damn.
don't like your outfit. I love it.
You love it. I don't like your wow. I love your wow.
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 Wow. If you could relate, you know? Don't be late. Just participate. But with all being said, we appreciate y'all. Really, we appreciate y'all all the time for rocking with us. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Chit chat. You know what I mean? Laughing with us. You know what I mean? And the one that's over there, I see y'all coming through a little bit, but keep coming through now. Thumbs it up more, okay? I am Richie, aka Chatty Pasta sometime. Shanice, aka First Lady. They are?
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye. Bye. Yeah, my boy.